Lot number 205F is a John Deere skid steer, a 325 skid steer. This one starts right up. Engine sounds good. It actually took a couple of tries to start it. I could hear the starter ticking, tick, 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 tick. After about 10 or 12 tries, it actually turned over and it started right up. It's been running now for about 5 or 6 minutes. Engine sounds good. It's got a major leak on one of these hydraulics. You can see how shiny this is back here. This main hydraulic here has a big leak. We tried to lift up the bucket here and she squirted everywhere. But the engine sounds good. It does drive forward and reverse. And I'm gonna have something to show you now. Go ahead, take it back a little. Backwards, forward. It drives. Perfect. All right, perfect. So as you see, it drives. It sounds good. It only has 200 hours, 209 original hours. All the wheels look good. Nice tires. Engine sounds good. You can see it leaked a lot of that hydraulic fluid. We really wanted to show all the functions, but we're not getting it much more than this. At least we know it starts and then moves forward and reverse. It'll be easy to load up. Engine sounds good. It's a low hours. Shows normal wear. This comes up. The tilt works. But when we try and raise that did not work. So there it is. It's a nice machine. Appears to be in good shape. It's got 200 hours. It's a John Deere 325. It's lot number 205. Good luck.